The case study is on enhancing technical interview skills, the story of Rahul background. Rahul, a recent graduate with a degree in computer science, was excited to start his career in the tech industry. Despite his strong academic background and technical knowledge, he struggled to secure a job offer after multiple interviews with various companies. Determined to improve his interview performance, Rahul sought guidance from his mentor, Amit, who has extensive experience in the tech industry. Initial challenges. Rahul's main challenges during his interviews were difficulty in solving coding problems under time pressure, struggling to explain his thought process clearly during technical questions, lack of confidence in his problem-solving abilities, receiving feedback that was often too vague to act upon effectively. Feedback and analysis. Amit advised Rahul to recall and analyze all the feedback he had received from his interviewers. Together, they categorized the feedback to better understand the areas Rahul needed to work on. Here are the feedback statements Rahul remembered and their classifications as given below. Action plan. With the feedback categorized, Rahul and Amit developed a targeted action plan, improving algorithm application. Rahul enrolled in an advanced algorithms course to deepen his understanding and application of algorithms. Enhancing coding speed. Rahul dedicated time each day to practice coding under timed conditions to improve his speed. Explaining thought process clearly. Rahul practiced explaining his solutions out loud while solving problems to improve his clarity. Building confidence. Rahul joined a study group where he regularly presented his solutions to peers for feedback. Practicing under timed conditions. Rahul set up a strict schedule for practicing coding problems under timed conditions to mimic the pressure of real interviews. Structuring explanations. Rahul used frameworks like the problem solution impact method to structure his explanations logically. Results. After implementing his action plan and consistently working on his feedback, Rahul began to see significant improvements in his interview performance. He felt more confident, communicated his thought process clearly, and solved coding problems more efficiently under time pressure. Within a few months, Rahul successfully secured a job offer from a leading tech company. The interviewers praised his clear explanations, structured approach, and ability to solve problems quickly and accurately. Conclusion. Rahul's case study highlights the importance of receiving and categorizing feedback to identify specific areas for improvement. By taking a systematic approach to address his weaknesses, Rahul transformed his interview performance and achieved his career goals. This approach can serve as a valuable guide for other job seekers facing similar challenges.